The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on how to use the spotlight. The spotlight feature is great for presentations or when you need to focus on a specific section of your screen. It helps keep the attention on the important information and reduces distractions for your students. To activate Spotlight, navigate to the menu. From Tools, choose Accessories, and then select Spotlight. Once Spotlight is enabled, it will shroud the rest of the screen and display a small area. You have the flexibility to control the shape of your spotlight, with two options to choose from. Circular shape. This setting creates a circular spotlight highlighting the area you want to focus on. Square shape. Selecting this option will create a square spotlight allowing you to zoom in on a specific part of your screen. Moreover, you can also adjust the size of the spotlight to fit your needs. There are also 3 zoom levels available to you, allowing you to perfectly emphasize the desired area. Finally, you can also adjust the brightness of the screen. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.